Hey everyone, welcome back for another new subscriber shout out video. It's been a couple weeks since I did the last one, so I have quite a few to go through. And if you are a new subscriber here, welcome to the channel. And if you've been here all along, I really appreciate your support and thank you very much for being here. It's very much appreciated. So I'm going to go through the names now down through the list, and you'll see that list right here to the right. And I'm going to go down through that list now. You'll see your name if you subscribed over the last couple of weeks and your subscriptions are not set to private. If they are set to private, you won't see them over there. And if you do want to see your name pop up on one of these new subscriber videos and you have already subscribed, you can unsubscribe and then resubscribe after you set your subscribers to not being private. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the list right now. And here we go. And before I start, I'm going to mention that you'll see over to the right there, all the way that very last column to the right is the list of how many subscribers that channel has or that user has. And it'll give you a little bit of an idea on whether they have a channel or not. And a lot of times some of these names you can tell also if they have a channel as well. So just figured I would share that in case anybody sees something that you might be interested in going to check out. So starting with JD Win, 2 weeks ago, Jim Stew, JR Leaninger, JR John T, Justin Blanchard, TW Arthur Foxsake. I'm sure I messed that up, so I apologize for that, but welcome to the channel. Kevin Hoppenworth, Willow 514, Willie Breen, Jose Ortiz. Welcome, Jose. Me and Jose have already had a chance to chat back and forth a few times and came over from the Tradesman channel video. Jeff Todisman, Dano's Toolbox, Molly 1K Dolly, Jojo Walker, Brian and Jojo's Paranormal, Scott Taylor, Country Farmer, Waffles TV, Mitch Dietrich, Charles Builds Crap. I like that name. Charles Builds Crap. You know, he's got a channel with over 300 subscribers there. That seems like it'd be an interesting channel to check out. So I'm going to open that in a new tab and check that out after this. Jeremy Moore, Colin Backshaw, Bob Jonkis. Bob, thanks for joining. I've had a chance to chat with you on the comment section and live stream. I definitely appreciate that. Paula Forbes, Don Douglas. Welcome, Don Douglas. Came over from Cecil Skinner's channel. So welcome to the channel here. I really appreciate you joining us. Vitaly Katz Nelson, Maestro. Thank you very much for joining. Jeannie Michelle Phillips, Ray Baker, Mr. Tompkins, Ed Tech, otherwise known as Mr. T apparently, based on his picture, Papa Texas, James Duran, A.M., Steve Humbert, Charlie Small, Walker Outdoors, got a channel and I do subscribe to them, so thank you for joining. Virus the Destroyer, M. Lil Things, who was on our live stream last night. Thanks for joining the channel. I appreciate it. It was great chatting with you. VE3FAL1 Fred, Bob Lee's Woodshop. Thanks for joining Bob. I also subscribe to his channel and he has a woodworking channel as well. So if you're interested in that, definitely go check that out. Dipthi Raj. And I apologize for any names that I mess up. But I am going to do my best to pronounce these names correctly. Carla Reeves, Jason Parker, JC Silvermoon DeJert, Dog is my co-pirate. I like that name. Wacky Woodworks. Wacky Woodworks has a channel that I subscribe to, and he is from New Zealand. So on the other side of the planet, and a lot of fun to watch his channel. Jacob Byers, Mark 335, TSMD 1961, Two Dogs. I like Two Dogs channel. He's got a great channel over there, and I enjoy watching his videos as well. Hisham Omar, Claude Wiedner, Michael Crawhorn, Rob's Woodshop. Rob's Woodshop's got a channel. If you're into woodworking stuff, definitely check him out. Kelly Paulson. Kelly, I saw you on the live stream last night. Thanks for joining. I really appreciate that. Had a great time chatting with everyone. Big E's, the Backyard Welder. This channel is very interesting, doing some backyard welding, which I would like to get more into and find quite interesting. The Best 21. He's just starting out with a gaming channel. If you're into that, go check him out. Sin City Vlogs. Michael and Jessica Davis. Frehley Comet. I hope I didn't mess that up. I probably did, and I apologize if I did. MWF508. Looks like a gaming channel based on the fact that it is a fist holding a gaming controller. Danny Hale. Luca Mastrodomenico. I hope I didn't mess that up, and if I did again, I am sorry. Zasioku's videos, and then a bunch of foreign characters that I have no idea what it says. So again, I apologize for messing that up if I did. Kay Gamble. Daddy Daughter Broadcasting. That's a cool channel. I watched a few videos over there. Father and his daughter, pretty cool stuff. I always like that since I have my own daddy's girl. Gabe McGinnis. I've had a pleasure of chatting with him in the comment section. I appreciate you joining, Gabe. TNT Gaming. Obviously a gaming channel. If you're into that, hop over and check out TNT Gaming. Kurt. Just Kurt. Hi, Kurt. Appreciate you joining. PGHD. Patrick Pollitt. Looks like his picture is a picture of a YouTube channel, which is, I'm guessing, his own with over 200 subscribers, and not sure what that's about, but I'm going to open it in a new tab and check it out after this. Red Gone to Gray. Cynthia Herr, welcome to the channel, Cynthia. I really appreciate you joining here. Cynthia come over from Buck and Billy Ray's channel, and again, I really appreciate you joining. And it was great to have you in the chat last night. A lot of fun. La Mia Cineteca. I probably messed that up. I'm sure I did, and I apologize for that. And last but not least, Robin Webster. And as it says up here on YouTube, only subscribers who share their subscriptions publicly are shown. So that means if you share your subscriptions publicly and if you've joined this channel over the past couple of weeks, your name will be in the list that we just went through. And if not, I apologize for not announcing your name, but I want to welcome you anyway, and that's what this video is all about. So right after this, I am going to check out a couple of these little channels here that I opened up in a new tab. I'm going to finish editing some videos. I'm going to work on building a chicken brooder that I am in the middle of designing and talked about on the live stream last night. And that is about it for today. So as always, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button. It really helps us out a lot. And I appreciate you watching the video. If you like this video, like I said, hit the like button. If you do like this video, check out some of the other videos on the channel. I think you'll like those too. And if you do and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you can get notified when we put out new videos. Please join the channel if you do enjoy the channel and you do enjoy these videos. No need to join the channel if it's not something you're interested. I do appreciate you stopping by and watching this video. And until next time, we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Have a great day.